Good morning, students. Class 8 online classes. Subject computer. Topic fundamental of computer. Question is define a computer. A computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out sequences of arithmetic. Means computer is a machine. According to your instruction, the computer will be give your answer. आप कंप्यूटर को जैसा भी आप उसको आदेश देंगे उसके अनुसार वो काम करता है. ठीक. एज वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द एक्टिविटी द मीनिंग ऑफ सीक्वेंस एंड अर्थमेटिक. सीक्वेंस मीन्स a class routine like subject wise teacher take your class. Arithmetic, it means if you are going to school, then the firstly you have to arrange the bag by routine of the day. Oh, second example, board mass. In board mass, if you that means make a solution of mathematics, then first you have to do the work of bracket, after that of, after that divide, after that multiplication, after that addition, after that subtraction. Okay. After the next point is connection of computer. How the computer is connected with the parts of different parts of computer. You can look here. Monitor. The wire is one goes connected with CPU, and from CPU one wire connected with monitor. Next is keyboard. Keyboard is connected from CPU. Next mouse. Mouse is connected from CPU. And next CPU one wire is connected from UPS, and UPS is connected from electric board. Here the work of different parts. Monitor, it shows your display, it shows or it displays the tasks that is given by the CPU. CPU, it is a storage device. Here it can perform the work. Next UPS, it is power supply. Mouse, it is a pointing device. Keyboard, from the help of keyboard we can write, type the letters or numbers. From the explanation we can understand main parts of computer is monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Keyboard is connected with CPU, mouse is connected with CPU connected with monitor to show the instruction given by the user. For electric supply, monitor and CPU connected from UPS connected from switchboard. Okay. Next point is monitor. That means we want to explain, and I want to explain to understand in easily ways what is the work of monitor. What is monitor? A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows for computer it looks similar to the television. What that means, whatever we are performing the work, what we are giving to the instruction to the computer, it shows on your monitor. There are the three types of monitor: CRT, LCD or LED. We can understand CRT. These are the big and heavy, use a lots of desk space and electricity. In earlier time, in first, the computer first uses CRT monitor. It is a big. It also uses large amount of electricity and it takes space more. Next is LCD. The LCD monitor, the most common kind of flat panel display, it uses much less desk space and electricity. In LCD, it takes less space and uses less electricity. And full form of LCD, liquid crystal display. Next is LED. LED, light emitting diode. That means it takes less space and less electricity. Next is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer. That means in CPU, whatever you are doing and whatever the work is performing is totally done by a CPU. जो भी काम हम करते हैं या जो भी काम मेरे द्वारा दिया जाता है कंप्यूटर को, वो कौन करता है? CPU करता है. और ये एक कंप्यूटर का दिमाग भी कहा गया है. The CPU contains at least one processor which is the actual chip inside the CPU. In CPU, a processor content, which is the actual chip inside the CPU and which work inside the computer. Next is keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letter, number and other symbol. Using a keyboard to enter the lots of data is called typing. It contains 106 or 108 buttons. With the help of keyboard, we can enter the data just like a number or other symbol, and whatever we are entering the computer, whatever entering the data in the, that is called typing. It contains 106 or 108 buttons. Next is mouse. A mouse is an input device. What is this? This is an input device. From the help of mouse we are giving instruction to the computer that is used with the computer. It is also called pointing device. It is called pointing. That means wherever you want to select any of instruction, then with the help of mouse we can select. It have 2 or 3 buttons, that is right click, left click and a scroll button which is an middle. In that 3 button, right click, left click and a scroll button which is in middle. Okay, this is the fundamental. With this from that means in this topic I am only teaching you what is computer, how can we connect computer, which is the most important part of the computer. Okay, thanks.